Welcome. I'm Coach Athena, the Life Calling Coach. And today I want to present an overview of my Life Calling Coaching packages and workshop. I have been facilitating this particular workshop for 3 years. And every year, in the beginning of the year, I offer one workshop for free in January. The beauty of this workshop is that it is set up in a manner that it can present it to a group, individually, or as a self-study course. So welcome to your first step towards living on purpose. The 6-week Life Calling Coaching Workshop is designed to introduce you to yourself, your real self, the person that God created you to be, to make a difference in this world. So in the workshop, you will also learn the following information. You will learn how to complete your life purpose plan, steps to living a fulfilled life. As I stated, I'm Coach Athena. I want to share a little bit about my background and what I have done so far. I am the founder of the Life Calling Coach and Yes You Can Today Christian Life Coaching. I have a specialty in using vision boards to establish a path to your life calling and spiritual growth, okay, because I am a spiritual coach as well. I am also a part of an organization called Women Offering Wealth. I am a program director for the Endurance Principle, and I am also the founder and facilitator of the Sister Circle Support Group and the Circle of Endurance Support Group, which is currently being offered through Women Offering Wealth. I also know the difficulties of managing hardships. As you know, I stumbled, most of my path was stumbling through things and trials, which is one of the reasons why I designed this program and why my focus is to help you live on purpose and not by accident. When we stumble through things, we are living by accident. We accidentally stumble into things. This program is designed to help you actually identify your path, identify your calling, so that you don't have to stumble into things like I did. So one of my challenges has been raising a son with autism and overcoming depression and anxiety. But now I use my voice and my talents to develop coaching programs to help others nurture their roots, reestablish focus, and establish balance in their life. I use a holistic approach, focusing on the mind, body, and spirit, the whole person. So in the workshop, you're going to need a few things. I will supply you with your Life Calling workbook. This workbook has everything you need in it to get started on your path to purpose. And we will be using another text for the majority of the material in the workshop that will be revealed to you at that time when you sign up for the shop. You will also need a journal or composition notebook. You would need to have access to a computer or a tablet. You could use your smartphone as well, but the majority of the workshop is online. It's a video online class, okay? And you need to have a willing spirit and a commitment to finish, okay? So I also recommend that you get a copy of The Purpose-Driven Life by Rick Warren, because I use some of his material in my workshop. His material is very good for anybody who is new to just thinking about purpose, because he breaks it down on a very basic level. So I recommend, if you haven't read it, to get a copy and read it. One of the most important pieces of your workbook will be your purpose plan. In your purpose plan, you're going to record all of the results of your assessments when you learn about who you are and why you are the way you are. And as you record all this information, you're going to end up with one book that will become your guide to living on purpose. This same book is used should you decide to take this a step further and purchase one of the coaching packages that go along with this. In the coaching package, you would then be able to work with me one-on-one, and we will take what you've discovered in the workshop and develop a life plan and an action plan to actually making these things happen. And as your coach, I will come alongside you and I will help you through your journey. Okay, I will not do the work for you, but I will help you get through your journey. So in the 6-week workshop, this is how the workshop will be broken down. The training is specific. Okay, in week 1 you will discover purpose. During this week you will focus on 2 questions only. What is my purpose, and why did God create me? That's what you'll focus on the first 2 weeks. Okay, on the first week, excuse me. In week 2 you will begin working on your life calling or life purpose plan. During this week, you will begin taking assessments to help you complete your life purpose plan. In week 3, you will go through your spiritual self-discovery. In week 4, you will learn how God uses your problems, yes, your problems, to focus you and teach you how to live on purpose. In week 5, you will learn about God's vision. Vision is very important to living on purpose, because if you don't see where you're going to stumble, you're going to fall, and you will get lost. Okay. So in week 5, you will learn to embrace God's vision for your life and how vision propels you into a life of purpose. Okay. Week 6 will be My Vision Revealed. You will create and present your digital vision board based on your revelations from the entire workshop. Okay, so what are others saying about the Life Calling Coaching Workshop? Previous attendees had this to say. Ms. Archer stated, "This process showed me that I am not in the right field." And Ms. Archer took this information to go forward and alter her career path. Ms. Smith stated, "I feel that this is an excellent first step. The workshop was very professional, insightful on numerous levels." So some of the words that were used to describe the workshop content were motivating, confirming, empowering, and spiritually enlightening.